Meaning of double act.
Double act.
Double act.
Double act.
Double act. The term double act refers to a comedic or theatrical performance featuring two performers working in tandem. Typically, one performer is viewed as the straight man or foil, while the other takes on the role of the comedian or zany character. Double acts are often associated with British culture and have been a staple of vaudeville and variety shows. The result of a successful double act is a highly entertaining performance that relies on the chemistry and timing between the two performers to deliver laughs and engage the audience.